Do you know that you can make a pillow like this in Blender in less than 2 minutes? How to cube mesh. In edit mode, scale down your cube along the z-axis, scale along the y-axis and x-axis to achieve the simple geometry of a pillow. Scale further down along the z-axis to adjust geometry. Toggle Edge Select mode and create loop cuts on your mesh. Go to your Properties panel and add a subsurface division modifier. Tab to Object Mode and apply subsurface division modifier on your mesh. Go to your Sculpt mode. Adjust your face set to face set from Edit Mode selection. Go to your Tool panel and select the Close Filler tool. You may adjust the strength of your brush to 0.5 like I did, or leave it as 1. I prefer 0.5 to have a bit more control. The first axis usually comes with the default of X, Y, and Z selected, but you may choose to restrict your first axis. Scroll down to lock the symmetry of your object along the X, Y, and Z axis. And ensure that you select Inflate as your default filler type. Go ahead and carefully begin to sculpt the mesh. Make adjustments until you achieve a desired result. Shade smooth. And add a material to the object. Go to your render viewport mode to see the result. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching and bye for now.